Which shampoo do you use? Dove, Pantene, L'Oreal or Sunsilk? Have you ever read the ingredient list of your shampoo? If you haven't, then let me tell you this. It's scary. There are many toxic chemicals in shampoos which are linked to hair fall, irritation, illness, and even cancer. And if you are unknowingly using a shampoo which is toxic, it is doing more harm to your hair than good. Using such shampoo will gradually weaken your hair and you may face issues like dandruff, hair fall, and even diseases. It is very important to use a shampoo which is gentle on the hair and the underlying skin. So which shampoo is the best? Let us find out. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. For this video, I bought almost 20 shampoos. Some from the supermarket while others online. I thoroughly examined each and every ingredient on all these shampoos and was quite disappointed. You too will be shocked to know that the most popular shampoos which are used by the majority of Indians have the maximum number of toxic chemicals in them. And when I say toxic, I mean they are really damaging. These ingredients include detergents, petroleum products, insecticides, pesticides and whatnot. One more thing which I noticed during the intensive research of this video was that the ingredients in the different varieties of the same brand were almost the same. I have divided all these 20 shampoos into 4 categories on the basis of number of harmful chemicals in them. So let us see in which category do all these shampoos fall in. Category number 1 includes shampoos like Garnier, Tresemme, Head & Shoulders, L'Oreal, Pantene Pro-V, Dove, Clinic Plus, Sunsilk, All Clear, which have more than 10 toxic chemicals in them. These in my opinion are the worst of the kind. It is so disappointing to know that the shampoo brands which we have been trusting since childhood are the main villains. Not only these, but the so-called herbal shampoo by Himalaya also falls in this category. Other herbal shampoos like Dabur Vatika and Nile Naturals are no different. Even the not so popular herbal shampoos like Kesh King, Mira and Kartika are no good. We all know that beer is good for washing hair. However, this made from real beer shampoo by Park Avenue is truly disappointing. All these shampoos have everything which is harmful for your hair, including strong fragrances and artificial colors. Coming to category number 2, which includes shampoos like Johnson's Baby and Wow's Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo. These are a little better than the category number 1 but are still far from the best. If we compare these two shampoos with each other, Wow is better as it is free from sulfates. Overall, they have around 6 to 7 toxic chemicals including artificial fragrances and colors. In category number 3 falls shampoos like Ayush, Biotic and Patanjali. These are the shampoos which are trying to fool their customers using over smart marketing tactics. All these shampoos mention only 10% of the ingredients on the bottle. I don't understand, if your shampoo is made from 100% botanical extracts, then why do you have to hide 90% of its ingredients? And what is the reason that the 90% of the ingredients of your shampoo fall in the soap base to which the customer has no access? If only 10% of the ingredients in your shampoo are from natural herbs, it doesn't make that shampoo an Ayurvedic medicine, does it? At least the shampoos in category number 1 are frank about their ingredients. Such malpractices doesn't make these shampoos trustworthy. Ayush shampoo although has mentioned 3 preservatives used in it, which are all highly toxic. Similarly, Patanjali's shampoo contains urea, artificial color and fragrance. Biotic has completely hidden all of it. I have tried contacting these brands but I did not get any satisfactory response. The bottom line is this: I cannot recommend you any of these shampoos. So we have seen more than 15 shampoos in 3 different categories but none of them have been impressive. So is there a shampoo in the market which can be used on a daily basis without worrying about its side effects? Thank God there are shampoos by Khadi which fall in category number 4. These are the shampoos which have no toxic chemicals. These are herbal shampoos in the real sense. They have no toxic chemicals, no strong fragrances and not even artificial colors. These are the shampoos which I can recommend to anybody of any hair type without an iota of doubt. Khadi shampoos come in many variants and all of them are equally good. Now I want to make this very clear that this video was not sponsored by Khadi or any other brand for that matter. Whatever I have spoken in this video or any of the previous videos of this series is my honest opinion. I'm not associated with any brand, no brand has paid me to speak all this. So I hope you have found this video helpful. I've tried to cover almost all the shampoos available in the Indian market. But still, if I missed the shampoo which you have been using, I would suggest you to please go through its ingredients and it would surely fall into one of these 4 categories. So friends, that's all for this video. Please let me know in the comment section which shampoo have you been using and would you now be changing it or not. And if you want me to continue making these kind of videos, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. If I get good number of likes on this video, I will continue this series. Probably I'll make a video on hair oils, face washes, cooking oils, etc. And please do remember to subscribe to my channel. My name is Vivek and thank you so much for watching.